So dear students, കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ പാസ്റ്റ് ടെൻസിലെ സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റ് ടെൻസിന്റെ ആക്റ്റീവ് വോയിസും പാസീവ് വോയിസും തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിഫറൻസസ് സംസാരിച്ചു. Today we are going to discuss about the second form of the past tense, past continuous tense. Let's make the active voice in the past continuous tense and the passive voice, the active voice in the passive voice എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. So I will write past continuous tense. This is the second form of the past tense. So active voice and passive voice. So what will be the form of active voice? The form will be subject plus verb plus subject plus was or were plus past continuous tense in the form എന്തായിരിക്കും? Subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing plus object. This will be the form. So then we have to find what will be the form of the passive voice in past continuous tense. Subject plus was or were plus, then here include being plus past participle form of the verb plus agent. This will be the form or in the passive voice. If you don't understand what is the agent, then in the previous class I have told what is agent. So please see that video. Please see that class video if you don't understand. So let's move. I will give some examples for the active voice. Then we will make that examples into passive voice. So here is the example. I was reading a book. ഞാനൊരു ബുക്ക് വായിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. So how to make this sentence into passive voice? First we write a book, then was being read by me. This will be the passive voice. A book was being read by me. ഞാൻ ഒരു ബുക്ക് വായിക്കപ്പെട്ടു എന്നാൽ അതായിരിക്കും അതിന്റെ മീനിങ്. A book was being read by me. So let's move to the next example. They were playing football. അവർ ഫുട്ബോൾ കളിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. So the passive voice of this sentence will be football was being then past participle form of the played being played by them. They will become them. So football was being played by them. So I will write another example. She was calling me. അവൾ എന്നെ വിളിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. So how to make this sentence into passive voice? Here object is me. So we have to make this object into subject. So first we write me. Me a passive voice ആകുമ്പോൾ I ആകും. Then was, then being, then what is the verb here? Calling the V3 form എന്തായിരിക്കും? Called. I was being called by she എന്നുള്ളത് her ആകും. So I was being called by her. Let's move to the next form, the third form of the past tense, past perfect tense. So here is we divided into two columns, active voice and passive voice. So what will be the form in the active voice? Subject plus had plus past participle of verb plus object. So what will be the passive voice, form of the passive voice? Subject plus had plus been plus past participle of the verb plus agent. So let's write some examples. Here is an example. My father had called me. My father had called me. എൻ്റെ അച്ഛൻ എന്നെ വിളിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അതായിരിക്കും ഇതിൻ്റെ മീനിങ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So let's make this into passive voice. Me എന്നുള്ളത് I ആകും. I had, then been, past participle of the called. I had been called, then agent by my father. Agent ഇവിടെ my father, അത് ഇവിടെ തന്നെ my father എന്ന് തന്നെ വരും. I had been called my father. Then next example. Ramu had drawn a picture. Ramu ഒരു ചിത്രം വരച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. So let's make this sentence into passive voice. A picture had been, then here is past participle form of the verb drawn itself, drawn. A picture had been drawn by Ramu. So that will be the passive voice. I will write another example. I have given a watch to him. I had given a watch to him. ഞാൻ അവനക്കൊരു വാച്ച് നൽകിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. So let's make this sentence into passive voice. A watch had been, then given by me. A watch had been given to him. Given to him എന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ, അതിവിടെ ചേർക്കേണ്ടതുണ്ട്. So given കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് to him എന്ന് ചേർക്കും. A watch had been given to him by me. I hope you understand. Then I will write another example. We had attended the wedding. We had attended the wedding. ഞങ്ങൾ കല്യാണം അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. So this is a sentence. And passive voice എന്തായിരിക്കും? The wedding had been attended. Attended എന്നുള്ളതിന്റെ past participle form attended എന്ന് തന്നെയാണ്. Attended. The wedding had been attended by us. So So that's it. So let's move to the future tense. Future third tense ആയിട്ടുള്ള future tense-ലെ first form ആയിട്ടുള്ള simple future-നെ കുറിച്ച് സംസാരിക്കാം. In this case, active voice and passive voice. So what will be the form in active voice? Subject plus shall or will plus present. എന്താണ് present tense of the verb? Present tense of verb plus object. Then what will be the passive voice? What will be the form of the passive voice? Subject plus shall or will plus എന്തായിരിക്കും be plus past participle form of the verb plus object. Subject plus shall or will plus be plus past participle of the verb plus object. That will be the form of passive voice. So I will give some examples. Here is the example. I will buy a car. ഞാനൊരു കാർ വാങ്ങും. So we have to make this sentence into passive voice. A car will be bought by me. A car will be bought by me. So let's move to next example. He will drink water. അവൻ വെള്ളം കുടിക്കും. So passive voice എന്തായിരിക്കും? Water will be V3 form അല്ലേ? Drunk. Water will be drunk by him.